Types of statements. Types of statements in Selenium test case. Test cases. Types of statements in Selenium test cases, Durga. First one, common one, that element identification statement, na?
Element identity. Okay.
Uh,
Find element by those.
we use find element of by dot element locator of locator value something. Element identification or element location. Element identification and performing action on the identified element. This is basic Selenium test step. Selenium test step, or you can say navigation, application navigation statement, isn't it? This is one type of statement. Next,
Yes.
Lata, we use declarations in our test cases, na? We use declarations, variable declarations for handling data. Next, we insert comments. Comments are not statements. We insert comments in our test cases. We insert comments in our test cases. Next, we use reusable. Reusable means call functions. This is called function calls. Function calls. Today in batch testing, Durga, we used function calls now. Generally here we use user-defined methods. User-defined methods in Java object-oriented program. See, earlier we called functions Sandhya. Can you remember? Earlier we called now obj dot launch browser, obj dot close browser. They are functions, reusable functions. Okay, we created reusable functions using user-defined methods, but generic name is function. Okay,
Yes.
function calls. Next, any other? We insert exception handling code for handling runtime errors, Durga, for handling runtime errors. Next, we may use conditional statements. We may use conditional statements for general conditions. Suppose if so and so URL exists, then click online catalog link, like conditional statements. We may use loop statements, Durga. Loop statements. Why? For code repetitive execution. Isn't it? Next, in future, we use testing framework. Assert methods for inserting verification points and get result. Any other identify? Element identification statement. Next, declarations, variable declarations. Next, inserting comments. Next, function calls, exception handling code, conditional statements, loop statements, testing. Just a minute. Testing framework, test NGR, JUnit, or NUnit, depends on the programming platform. Testing framework, assert methods for inserting verification points and generating test results. Any other? Synchronization. Synchronization statements. Synchronization statements, Lata. Otherwise, you can say wait statements. Wait statements. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Wait statements. See, element identification. These are common steps in every test case. Next, declarations, variable declarations, variables, say for handling data, in our test cases, variable, this declaration statements required. Next, insert comments. Comments are not executable statements, executable units. We use comments for increasing the readability of test cases. Next, function calls. We call functions for code reusability. Next, exception handling code. We use exception handling code for handling runtime errors. Next, conditional statements. We use programming conditional statements for forming general conditions. Next, loop statements. We use loop statements for code repetitive execution. Example, data-driven testing. Next, testing framework assert methods, Lata. Testing framework assert methods. What is the use of testing framework assert methods?
If you wanted to give some messages.
For inserting verification points, assert methods, assert. For inserting verification points and getting and returning result, test result, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And returning test result. Next, we may create web elements. We may create some objects, Durga. See, apart from these, we may create web element. Handling browser, launching browser, navigating to so and so URL. That is not related to any element. Handling browser statements, navigate back, close browser, etc. Browser related statement. Next, creating web elements. Next, any other in our test cases? Any other? Handling browser, okay. Web element, okay. Declarations, inserting statements. Any other?
What about that println statement?
Println statement, generally we don't use that one.
Okay.
See, system.out.println we are using for printing the output na. Printing the output on result console na.
Yes, sir.
Printing the output on result console. But in real time, we use automation framework. So we don't use 99%. we don't use print statement of Java, system.out.println. You tell me why it require? We export result. If you use test engine like framework, it provides the result in HTML format. Then why print statements? Say training program, we are using that print statement for displaying result on the console. But in real time, what is the use of the display statement? Identify, Sandhya.
I don't know, sir.
Web element, handling browser, creating web elements, creating and using web elements, one or more. Next, observe the specs for this one. Test automation resources. Test automation resources. Test automation resources, Durga. See, we need to maintain resources. For example, this one. Object repositories. Object repositories are test automation resources. Next, test cases. Test cases are resources. Next, test automation resources. Next, test data. Next, reusable functions. Next, test results. Etc. The test automation resources. Okay, this is about